Each and every one has a different energy and a different personality, and yet each and every one is incredibly skillful at what they do, incredibly confident at what they do, and it's all about mama and dad and their preferences.
During the labor and the delivery process, I was encouraged, and they kept telling me that I was doing well, I was doing great, and that was encouragement too, because I needed support too.
The second I met with the midwives, I felt like they were so sincere and so genuine. They listened to me, they got to know me. I never felt rushed. It felt like they wanted to take the time to get to know me and my baby, but also my husband and my mom, who are going to be in the room with me.
Just having somebody you trust is really important in your corner, especially when you're pregnant and you feel vulnerable and you're kind of in a fragile state. And I was definitely in a fragile state during my whole pregnancy. I would never have been able to have the birth that I wanted without her support.
I would say try it. You have to try it because it gives the safety net of you're still in the birth center. You still have, if anything were to go wrong where you need an OB or something beyond what a midwife can provide, it's all here.
So when they come into the office, it's about spending time with them, sitting down, getting to know who they are and where they've come from and what their journey has been and what exactly they want in that process. I'm going to be there for them to guide them through the process of the pregnancy, but also there to answer questions and to help build a relationship. That way there's trust. We make decisions together because we are a team. It's not me dictating care to somebody else. It's me making recommendations and us making decisions together to provide what's best for each person. Every patient has a special story.